Guys, we got this Ford 500. I just got done scanning it. We got lean, bank 1 and bank 2, misfire. They said the thing wouldn't accelerate because I guess it went into limp mode. They said they thought it needed a throttle body. We got this actuator forced idle. And we got it throttle stuck closed, which I think is odd. Let's see, does it respond? It doesn't respond too fast to my throttle pedal. Look at that, look how slow that comes up, ready? Wide open throttle. Let's see what happens here with our should probably look at this stuck closed code. I wonder if we have like a vacuum leak or something in it.